Okay, so welcome to my video, to my channel. First of all, basically I will be showing the above Falcon Whisky project that I have created in this year 2024. First of all, who am I? I am a Romanian graphic designer from Cluj-Napoca. So I should be speaking in Romanian, but I prefer doing it in English. So this is project that I have created for my portfolio and to grow and learn and have some fun. So I call it, in my mind, I call it a FUNJECT. I made up a word for it. I like weird stuff, weird names, stuff like that. The weirder something is or unusual, the more I like it. So I have created myself a name for it. Here is the description of what that is. A FunPath project is FUNJECT in my mind. So this is a FUNJECT. Also, there are some rules. Here are the rules for the FUNJECT when I do a FUNJECT. So basically, first of all, I will scroll it. Let's see if it loads. Okay. Usually it takes me, I don't know, 70, 100 hours for a project like this. It takes a lot. I mean, it doesn't seem like it when you scroll it because you scroll it in 2 minutes, something like that, but it's a lot of work. Usually I work on it 5 hours a day, 5 hours a day when I'm on peak performance mentally. So I wanted to create something with a drink, with something with a drink. I like whiskeys. I like to see them in movies. They always look cool. I like those bottles. I'm not a whiskey drinker, but I like those bottles. So this was the chance to create one. So basically, I will scroll it. The idea actually was not even mine. It was of my mentor, a guy that I really like, Stefan. Here is his a link to his channel. He's the original one, the real guy who does this kind of behind the scenes of project and stuff like that, dissections of creative process. So here is, I scroll it real fast. Then to give an idea of what I will be talking about, then we'll go into behind the scenes of the project. So yeah, I use ChatGPT for text and stuff like that, but I also like to create them myself. So in this behind the scenes, I will be telling stuff that went on when I was working on it. For example, this text, I came up myself with it actually. I wanted something to have kind of like a background story for the bottle. I wanted it to make sense, right? And I wanted it also to be targeted towards business people, 50-year-olds, 40-year-olds, mafia bosses. So yeah, that's why I picked those darker colors, like royal blue, navy blue, gold, and above falcons. So there is a story. We create the story here. Actually, I wanted to make the user, the person who drinks it, feel part of something, like something more than a drink. Okay, so this is the original logo, but I have actually let myself move myself up here. This is the original logo. It basically was a logo that I have created in 2021 that I never got used. It was for a contest, and so I picked this logo. Actually, I was the one who picked it. This idea came to Stefan, the guy that I told you about. You already know him probably. He had the inspiration for this logo to be served for a drink, something like that. So okay, cool. I went with it. So basically I picked this, took this word and I changed it like this. And here I was trying to find a font, find a typeface that will suit it best to give kind of like classy vibes, but serious vibes, but not the wrong kind of serious vibes. So yeah, I kind of found the font, and basically I was trying to make it equal distance. Yeah, here I kind of like a gradient effect I tried. So I did this, maybe it was, I don't know, March, something like that, February, March 2024, a few months ago, half a year ago. And okay, I think this was the final one. And as you can see here, it's whiskey, because I'm not a whiskey drinker, I didn't note the difference. And I didn't even notice. I wrote whiskey. So there are two things, two kind of drinks, whiskey and whiskey. And if I let whiskey, it will not match with the description of the brand, because on the print of the bottle there is the story of what it's made of, and the whiskey is not made like that, so it will not fit. So actually, when I did it properly, I measured it, everything. I uploaded it into design, and then I noticed that it's whiskey. And so I had to change again all this in a lot of slides and put whiskey. So here's whiskey, and the original one in the project now is whiskey. So stuff like that. There are two kinds, whiskey and whiskey. Probably I will put here a description, or maybe not. I don't know. I will see when I edit this. So yeah, this is the behind the scenes of the logo. Okay, so here is the card. A few examples. Actually, I tried different versions. So this one, this I kind of like this one, but I thought the white, maybe the overall color of the brand is not white, so it's kind of this. I went with this one. Then I want to show the other card now. Okay, so what I have noticed is that I did the van already in its final form, because I have experimented with the car first, the vehicle first, and this one already knew the color and how it would look like, so this is already just one version. Okay, so to conclude, I mean, probably there are things that I'm missing that I should show, other curiosities, but I like it. I like how it turned out. So at the end of it, I do kind of like another show again the project, but clicking on the slides this time. So yeah, this is the first one, which I really liked. Basically, I took the image of a falcon and cleaned it up. I made it like this, kind of like admiring the logo in a way. So here, I give you a feeling of the drink, like this. Here is some other parts. Yeah, so here's where I have adjusted it with whiskey written. This is the safe zone of the logo. This kind of like sticker on the bottle is a close-up of the story. The falcon is this bottle, close-up again. You know, actually, I would like to print, to actually make myself this bottle, have it in my room, I mean in my apartment. So yeah, car. So it gives kind of like I don't know, like an elite drink vibe. That's premium, something like that. Business, something like that. I want it. So yeah, this was the presentation.